To choose the best 3D printer, consider print quality, build volume, ease of use, and budget. Popular options include the Krity Ender 3 for affordability, Prusa i3 MK3 for reliability, and Formlabs Form 3 for high-resolution prints. There are many products available to choose a 3D printer, each with different characteristics, benefits. To help you make an informed decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and made a list of the best 3D printer from renowned brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for folks like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my video description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Official Krity Ender 3D Printer. The official Krity Ender 3 3D printer is a cutting-edge and fully open-source device that empowers enthusiasts and professionals alike to unleash their creativity. Boasting an impressive resume printing function, this D3D printer ensures a seamless and efficient printing experience, allowing users to pick up where they left off in case of interruptions. With a generous printing size of 8.66 x 8.66 x 9.84 inches, the Ender 3 offers ample space to materialize your innovative designs. Its open-source nature means you have the freedom to customize and enhance your 3D printing projects, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The Ender 3 is not just a printer, it's a platform for exploration and experimentation. Whether you're a seasoned 3D printing enthusiast or a newcomer to the world of D printing, the official Krity Ender 3 caters to all, providing a reliable and user-friendly tool to bring your ideas to life. Join the community of makers and creators who trust the Ender 3 for its performance, versatility, and commitment to open-source innovation. Number 2. Anycubic 4K Resin 3D Printer. Introducing the Anycubic 4K Plus Resin 3D Printer, the Photon Mono X2, a cutting-edge device that redefines your 3D printing experience. With a remarkable 9.1-inch mono LCD screen, this printer boasts unparalleled clarity and precision in every detail. The quality Lightubro light source ensures exceptional printing results, offering high-quality resin 3D prints with intricate details. Engineered for high precision and stability, the Photon Mono X2 provides a reliable platform for your creative projects. Its large printing size of 197 x 123 x 200 mm opens up new possibilities for bringing your ideas to life. Whether you're a hobbyist, designer, or professional, this 3D printer delivers outstanding performance, making it a valuable tool in your creative arsenal. Experience the future of 3D printing with the Anycubic Photon Mono X2, where innovation meets precision to transform your visions into tangible, high-quality creations. Elevate your printing capabilities with this advanced technology, and unlock a world of possibilities for your next project. Number 3. Anor M5 3D Printer. The Anycubic M5 3D printer represents a leap forward in the world of additive manufacturing, boasting an impressive speed upgrade to 500 mm per second. This enhancement, combined with its fast mode, ensures swift and efficient 3D printing without compromising on the intricate details of your designs. The printer's smooth detailing capabilities guarantee high-quality output, providing a seamless finish to your creations. Navigating the printing process is a breeze, thanks to the Anycubic M5's intuitive control system. Users can effortlessly command the printer to bring their ideas to life with precision and ease. The integration of an AI camera for error detection adds an extra layer of reliability, ensuring a smoother printing experience by identifying and addressing potential issues in real time. Equipped with auto-leveling technology, the Anycubic M5 guarantees a consistently level printing surface, minimizing the chances of print failures. The robust construction featuring integrated die-cast aluminum alloy ensures durability and stability, contributing to the printer's overall reliability. With the Anycubic M5, 3D printing becomes a seamless, efficient, and enjoyable process, unlocking new possibilities for creative expression. Number 4. Krity Ender 3S1 Plus 3D Printers. The Krity Ender 3S1 Plus 3D printer with CR Touch Auto Leveling, Dual Z-Axis, and Sprite Direct Extruder represents a cutting-edge addition to the world of 3D printing. Boasting a spacious print size of 11.81 x 11.81 x 11.81 inches, this printer opens up vast possibilities for creating large and intricate objects with precision. One standout feature is the CR Touch Auto Leveling system, ensuring a hassle-free and accurate printing experience by automatically adjusting the bed level. The inclusion of Dual Z-Axis provides enhanced stability and alignment during the printing process, contributing to smoother and more consistent results. The innovative Sprite Direct Extruder optimizes filament flow, allowing for reliable and efficient material deposition. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or beginner, the Ender 3S1 Plus offers a user-friendly experience, empowering you to bring your creative visions to life. Its robust construction, coupled with the latest advancements in 3D printing technology, makes it a versatile and reliable choice for makers, creators, and hobbyists alike. Elevate your printing projects with the Krity Ender 3S1 Plus, and unlock a new realm of possibilities in the world of 3D fabrication. Number 5. Krity Ender 3v2 3D Printer. The Krity Ender 3v2 3D printer stands out as a cutting-edge DFDM, fused deposition modeling, solution, combining precision, innovation, and user-friendly features. Equipped with a silent motherboard, this printer operates quietly, making it ideal for home, office, or educational environments. The branded power supply ensures stable and reliable performance, contributing to seamless printing experiences. The inclusion of a carbon glass platform enhances adhesion and facilitates easy print removal. With a generous build size of 8.66 x 8.66 x 9.84 inches, the Ender 3v2 caters to a variety of project sizes, allowing users to bring their creative visions to life. The LCD screen provides intuitive control and monitoring, simplifying the printing process. Additionally, the printer incorporates a convenient resume printing function, enabling users to resume interrupted prints, saving time and materials. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced enthusiast, the Krity Ender 3v2 offers a versatile and reliable 3D printing solution, opening doors to endless possibilities for creative expression and practical prototyping. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.